now we will go over to Canva and create ourselves a brand new video. So on the dashboard, you can go up here and search for video, or you can just click right here, video, boom. Alright, so right now it's set at 5 seconds. So earlier we made a voiceover using Microsoft Word for free, downloading it to a PDF, and then using the AI voiceover on the PDF. So what we'll do now is we got to find that recording, right? So of course we stayed organized, and we put that recording in our file, MRR eBooks, what we've been working with. So we'll grab that file, hold down on your left button, bring it over here, throw it in there. Okay, so now we have that file there. So then we just take it and then we drag it over to the project. Boom. Okay, so now you'll see that it's not playing anything as far as voice. So we want to drag this over this way. You'll start seeing. Oops, add that up pretty high there. So you'll start seeing that.
Start reselling eBooks and earn passive income.
So
Get your online.
long,
Start reselling eBooks and earn passive income. Get your online. Start reselling eBooks.
So we're going to duplicate the page a couple of times. I'm going to go with the 3 pages here. Alright, so let's go back to the first page. On the first page, you can change pages down here. On the first page, we're going to put a what we had uploaded earlier, the images, the book. Alright, so there's the book. So we're going to move that over here. And right there. Alright, so then we're going to go to page 2. We're going to put the book. We're going to flip it. I think we can do that. Oh, well then it reads backwards. So no, we won't flip it. So we'll put that down here. Alright, so then we'll go to the last one. And if you guys remember correctly, we'll just put some text over here. If you remember correctly, we stayed organized and we put that text in our notepad. So our last clip is going to say take action now, right? So we'll just paste that right there. We'll go up here, maybe change the font. Let's go with Horizon all the way across. Then we'll just make it like that. Come up here. And let's go with red. And then we're going to make it a little bigger. Alright, you guys play around with this a little bit. You guys can do all kinds of different things. Let's go back up here. So we'll go back down to that text. And our second slide is going to say, get your online business started with this ebook. So we'll copy that. We'll go over here. We'll add a heading. Then we're going to paste that. Then we're going to make that a little bit tighter. Go up here and change it all to Horizon first. I have to make the font smaller. Right there. Alright, let's go to the last one. See how easy this is, guys. So we'll go up here and I'll show you how we tie the sound into that here in a second. So I'll copy that from my notepad that we saved our stuff to earlier, paste it there, change it to Horizon. Make that font a little smaller. Okay. So alright, so that's what we got. So now you guys can see that we can adjust the time up here of how long the clip is. And I think that the first section is going to be a little bit longer. I'm just going to guess at some of this stuff. And then the other sections I think are going to be pretty close. That's going to put us at 16.5. Actually, I think that the video or the sound was 16, but it actually was blank part of it. So let's go with 4. Maybe 3, and then maybe this one 3 also. We'll just see what it does here. So after you do that, so you just come up here and it's a 10-second long video, so we want to see what that does for us.
Start reselling ebooks and earn passive income.
So we got that all messed up right now. So we want to this, how do I get to the sound? How do I get to the sound? I forgot how to get to the sound. Alright, so then we want to change that to that around a little bit. Alright, so we got to move that. So we'll go to this, upload audio, put that there.
Start reselling ebooks and earn passive income. So get your online business started with.
Let's try it.
Start reselling ebooks and earn passive income. Get your online business started with this ebook. Take action now.
So the second slide needs to be a little bit longer. So we'll go to the second slide. We'll make it about 4.5 seconds. Done. All right, let's try it out now.
Start reselling ebooks and earn passive income. Get your online business started with this ebook. Take action now.
Okay, I think that's perfect. So there you go. We have just created a little short sales video to help us sell this ebook on Fiverr. So we'll go up here and we'll hit download video. And we're going to go with MP4 high quality video, of course. Hit download. So it'll take a minute to download. Not that long. So then we're going to show this in our folder, right? Go up here, show in our folder. What do we want to do with this? We want to make that organized, right? So we're going to go down here and find MRR eBooks. That was it. I forgot to change the name on it. But that's alright. So there it's in our folder now. So let me show you guys how to change the name on your file before you download it. So this could have been ebook tutorial. And then once you download it, it's fine to go. So we'll go over that again. So we made our voiceover over on Word in the lesson before. Come over here, click on video on the dashboard, and start making videos with slides, and then you just dump your recording into here, and then from here you just run your recording over there. So we got us a sales video. Moving on.